You can use permissions to limit access to areas that are relevant to your site contributors. Contributors can edit your site, update billing, and more. You can assign a contributor multiple roles or make them an administrator so they have the permissions of all other roles. The owner and administrators can invite contributors, add basic authors, edit contributor permissions, and remove contributors. Owners can also transfer the permission to a different account, which may happen if a designer creates a site for a client or if someone new in an organization starts managing web content. There's only one website owner, and this is typically the account that created the site or other subscription. Administrators can do almost everything the owner can do except change ownership. This is a good permission level for collaborators who need full access. Accounts with billing permissions can change or cancel subscriptions and view invoices. They can't add or edit content. This is a good permission level for someone who manages your finances. To publish blog posts by different authors without giving them contributor permissions, add them as basic authors instead. All contributors can remove themselves at any time. Please let us know if you have any more questions. We're always here to help.